Okay, so this is Maschine 2.0. You should be very familiar with everything that is located on this device. Now, as far as the screen is concerned, again, this should be familiar to you. You say you want to increase the length of the bars. So when it first starts out in any new segment, this line is always right here. If it's not right here on the number 2, then it would be at some other point along the measure of bars. You can zoom in on this number or measure of bars by moving your mouse over the bar on the bottom. So if you click and hold and then move up or move the down, so drag your mouse up or down and it will expand or contract. Expansion, contraction. Expansion, contraction. So it expands when you click and drag it up, and it contracts when you click and drag it down, so that you can see other measures of bars. So this is where I'm at right now. I'll press play up top here. So that should be helpful for you to drag out to other measures of bars. Also, if you want to, let's say, drag this to specific spots. So like right now, let me back out of here. So right now, let's go. This is the 4th. This is the start of bar number 4. This is the start of bar number 5. Now there's 4 measures inside of each quarter segment. I can only jump from 1 quarter segment, 1/16 right now. That's all I can jump to. So you can change the grid over here. So it can go to 1 bar, and now it jumps 1 full bar. And I cannot go any shorter. I can go longer, but I'm going 1 bar, or I'm moving in 1 bar increments. I can go to half a bar. And let's see here, click. And you see 3, 3.5, 4, 4.5, 5. I can go to a quarter, which will be one of those quarters. I can go to an eighth. Let's look at an eighth here. Yep, an eighth right there. So an eighth will be 2 of those little segments. Instead of a 16th, it's an eighth. Then we've got the 16th, where we're going to go 1 quarter within each quarter note. And then we can set it to off. So we can set it to wherever we want to set this right now. We can go to, who knows what fraction of a bar that is. But we're able to move it to whatever spot we want to move it to right there. Also, down here, so let's select one of the tracks there. We're going to change the velocity so that it will have a different sound. It'll be louder, a little bit softer, a little bit softer. And you can either select paint or select to change those differently. So if I go to select, now I can highlight that and I can move all 3 of them, or however many of them I want to select at any given time. Also, this is a really cool one here. Click add, the little plus button, it says not assigned, right click that and then go all the way up top to Pitchwheel. From Pitchwheel, now within the one particular sound, you're going to have to switch this over to Paint. So now there will be a fluctuation. Actually, that's a bad one to show you. Let me move up to a different sound that I have here. Actually, let's do this. So this is a good one that I'm going to show you or demonstrate for you. So I'm a little over 2 bars deep right here. I'm on the cowbell. I got that made. Let me make that. So right. So that's where that's at right now. I'm going to take this pitch wheel. That's just changing the velocity. If we change the pitch wheel, that's just on the snare. Go low tom, go to the pitch wheel. So that's quite a bit that we can do right there. This is a War Room production.